I wanted to use this resource as a starter to revise straight line graphs, but in order to use it for this purpose, some changes need to be made to the setup. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to do this. When the resource is first opened, you can see the preset shape of the triangle, its reflection, the line of reflection, and the equation of the line of reflection. As we only want to show the line of reflection, I will untick Show Reflection. A shape will always be on display, but as you can see, it's quite easy to move this out of the way. You can then start moving the points around to form different straight lines with different equations. Make sure that the snap to grid box is always ticked so that the coordinates are always whole numbers. If you wanted to draw x equals -1 and the snap to grid box wasn't ticked, due to the accuracy, it can be quite tricky and you end up with an equation that you don't actually want. But if I take snap to grid, the points readjust so that the coordinates are whole numbers. You are then ready to start moving the points around to create different straight lines with different equations. By unticking Show Line of Reflection Equation, you can then ask pupils what they think the equation of the line is.